And so let's just say, what's your name again? Leslie. Leslie waved, everybody. Let's just say lightning picked Leslie as a target. What would happen is the electrical strike, the lightning, would come out of the sky, but at the same time it comes out of the ground. And so if it's going to hit Leslie, it's going to connect here. So it doesn't come to the sky and just hit Leslie and go to the ground. It's coming from the ground, coming from the sky, and it connects its charge, the lightning bolt collects its charge right here. And so it happens so fast we don't see it. That's why it looks like it just comes from the sky. So Leslie here is going to be our example of what not to do when there's thunderstorms outside. Okay? So let's pretend it's a Saturday, we're all at the park and we're having a good time. All of a sudden it starts to rain. Now it's me, I hate getting wet, so I'm like, hey Leslie, I'm out of here, I'm going home, thanks for playing, it was great. And Leslie says, bye Anthony, see you later. Okay, so she left. Everybody else doesn't mind the rain, it's not that heavy, it's not that bad, it's fine. So everybody else is playing, and Leslie's playing, so she's on the bars, and she's going, and she's swinging, she's having a good time. She's like, this is so fun, I love rain. And then all of a sudden, Leslie and all of us see a lightning strike, way over there. But we don't hear thunder. And so Leslie's like, who cares? I love rain! I love playing outside! This is the greatest day of my life! Woo! Okay, but we don't hear thunder. Now all of a sudden over here, there's a lightning strike. Oh, okay, first of all, more of you guys go home. You're like, hey listen, I remember hearing somewhere that I shouldn't be outside when there's lightning. So I'm going home. And then Leslie says, later! And you guys leave. But Leslie's still out here having fun. Okay? On the swing. So she's swinging back and forth. She's having fun on the swing now. Okay. Now all of a sudden, lightning hits over here. And then we count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we hear thunder. So the other guys, because it was pretty loud, the rest of us are like, okay, I'm going home because I know I shouldn't be out because now there's thunder. So, again, a bunch of you guys leave. And Leslie says, later! I'm having fun on the swing. I'm having a good time. This is really fun. Okay. Now all of a sudden, this time, there's another lightning strike, 5 seconds go by, you hear the thunder again. Everybody leaves except for Leslie, because she's like, I love rain! Woo! Now, Leslie's playing by herself, and her hair goes... Leslie has little tiny hairs on her arm, and these are... They're all standing up. Anywhere she has hair on her body is standing straight up. Why? Because lightning has picked her as a target. Now Leslie has 2 seconds, and that's it. You got 2 seconds to basically tell lightning, I don't want anything to do with you. So what Leslie is going to do as quickly as you can, because she only has 2 seconds, is she's going to get on her knees, or I'm sorry, just on her toes, get bent, with only her toes touching the ground, and make herself as little as possible. And here's why she's doing that. First of all, she only wants her toes touching the ground because lightning has already picked her as a target. So it's going to hit somewhere close. It might hit over here, might hit there, might hit there, might hit there, but she doesn't want a direct strike. But also what she doesn't want, with only her toes touching, the lightning, the electricity is still going to go out. So if it hits here, the lightning is going to go there, the electricity is going to go there, the electricity is going to go there, and the hope is it doesn't hit her toes. Because I know a lot of us think that the soles on the bottom of our feet protect us from lightning. It doesn't. It won't protect you. There's only 2 safe places to be with a lightning strike. And that is inside or inside your car. And it's not because of the rubber tires. It's because your car acts like what's called a Faraday cage. So if lightning hits it, it travels on the outside. It's still going to trash the electronics in your car. But it goes on the outside, goes in the ground, but you're fine. Windows are rolled up, you're safe. Inside your house, you're safe. But where you're not safe is outside. So let's see how Leslie does, okay? So Leslie's playing, I love rain, I love lightning, I love thunder. So this is 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, boom. What happened? She got hit. Leslie, you have 2 seconds, you gotta go down. Okay, let's try it. No, let's do it again. That's too slow. Let's do it again. Now we're gonna try again. So Leslie's playing on the swings. She gets down, she jumps. This is 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Oh no! Let's do it one more time. Okay, well Leslie, get it right this time. Okay, Leslie, I'm going to give you a hint. Right when your hair goes up, you get down that quick. Okay, ready? Yay! Okay, Leslie, remember, only toes. Only toes. Because her feet are like this. Her toes are like this. You don't want that. So Leslie, thank you very much.